how many times can your family lose everything and survive? It's just, you can lose it all in one day. A lot of people woke up with water in their house, didn't even know what was going to happen. It really never sunk into me when I'd watch on TV, people in flood, and I was like, oh, that's just bad. They can just drive off with a towel. Oh, it's so much more that you don't even think about. So much more. Water gets in your house and it makes a nasty mess of everything. The mold starts growing everywhere. You got to wipe everything down, and everything basically has to be thrown away. It's a little bit better than Harvey as far as damage goes, but not much. People that encounter this kind of situation, they need all the help they can get, and we'll get through it. I didn't realize, it's just the little things that help people out.
There's a lot of great folks here. The outpouring of love is awesome. The same with Harvey. It's just kind of like, if you were spared, you wanted to help, just because it's hard. I know we're gonna get through it. We'll get there, and we love you guys for helping us. Couldn't have done it without y'all. And that's Texan, y'all.